Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how we can test our microphone on Windows 10. Okay. At bottom of the taskbar menu, just click on the speaker icon. You can right click on it and again click on this open sound settings. Okay. You can say some words and whenever you say some words, this blue color light it should spike, which means your microphone is working fine. Okay. Whenever I'm speaking, the blue color line it spikes a little. Okay. So let me try something. Let me snap my finger and let's see what happens. You can see the blue color line it spikes to the end, which means the microphone on your system it's working fine. Thank you.